I heard people eat raw groundnuts. Have you eaten raw groundnuts? Tell me in the comment section. I don't think it's okay, but I'm trying this because I've seen people do it, and I'm only scared because I just feel maybe I may start having stomach issues. But there's so much difference. The amount of granules I've eaten in the past 2 to 3 months, the amount of granules I've eaten in the last 2 months, if I start calculating it, is enough to help the needy. So this time around, I decided to buy half pint of granule. Let's start with half pint. So right here is half pint of raw granule. I bought it 1,400, the local market around me. I was pricing, everybody was selling for 3k per pint, that is half pint for 1,500. At the end of the day, the woman gave me 1,400. So, and she was saying that if I cook this and start measuring it, 200 per cup, I'm going to get my money back. I said no wahala. So let me cook groundnut and eat. Let's go. Yes. It's still in this place. Can't check it.